So I'm a man of my word. I told y'all when tuning became available, I will start modifying this car exteriorly, interiorly, engine. First, or another exterior mod is here. As you can tell, there's a spoiler in that box. About to move this around and get that installed. All right, let's see what this thing is looking like.
That is a box.
Got the new spoiler out, baby. So the company I bought this off of on eBay did a good job wrapping and packaging this. It's an OEM spoiler off of 2024, I think, Mustang GT. Now it's time to get the install done with my little helper out here, my little son. Say what up? All right, so we'll have to get all of this out. Take this old spoiler out, clean the adhesive off, things like that. You guys don't care about that, so I'm gonna do that, I guess, now. And I may have him hold the camera and record it. I don't know, it depends. So a lot of videos I watch recommending unplugging the battery for the spoiler back there. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick and get back to it. So I got the battery unhooked. That's self-explanatory. It's not rocket science to do a battery. If you can't even take a battery off, you probably should be doing this. So got the trim piece or whatever panel off to the side here. One rule, because my son's out here playing in the car, remember, with the battery disconnected, the windows do not let up and down. So you try to close it, it's gonna be like that. It doesn't like adjust to it. So be careful if you're closing your door with the power unconnected. I'm almost there, guys. But now I gotta get these bolts out of here. There's like 10 millimeter in the top of the deck lid or whatever. Just be careful, because it could drop, but hey, if it does drop, it's not the end of the world. Use like some type of magnetic tool to get it out. So don't close the trunk all the way with the battery disconnected. I just made that mistake. Now we're at the part I just like cleaning all this residue off. But it's not that bad. It's only like crazy right here. Other than that, shouldn't be too bad. Don't freak out. I used the Chemical Guys waterless rinse or whatever, and then that's why I used the mitten, but it didn't leave any scratch marks or anything. Detail people, don't freak out. It's okay, I guess. So I got all the adhesive off pretty much. That took about 20-30 minutes of scrubbing, as you saw. So here I have the new spoiler still wrapped up. About to unwrap it and redo the uninstall process with the install process, and then give y'all a walk around. I like it. So what I just realized is I'm gonna have to take the camera out of that one and put it in this one. So this doesn't seem very hard, but I gotta get this camera out. Takes, what do they call it? Torques, whatever they call it. There's just 2 of those in there. Take them out, put them in the new module, and go from there. So what I noticed, there's a couple of these you're gonna need to move from your old spoiler to the new one if you're doing this route that I'm taking. So like I got this one from at the top. Now all I do is come over here, slide it back in. And we're good to go. So guys, the spoiler is pretty much on with no hardware installed yet. I am gonna run to the hardware store and get some 10 millimeter bolts to go up in the top right there, because you know the stock spoiler didn't have that on there. But other than that, everything else is gonna be plug and play. Like I said, I'm gonna run and get some 10 millimeter bolts for that, and we'll get this washed up and see what it looks like when it's clean. Before I do anything, I want to hook the battery up, make sure that the rear view camera works correctly. That way I don't install all this stuff, the camera doesn't work, and then I gotta take it all off again to make sure to see why the camera's not working. So I'm not too worried about it, but you literally never know. So let's put it in reverse and see. All right, backup camera's working. All right, no sponsorship, but I ran to Ace Hardware. Gonna put these 10mm bolts in here because, like I said, the base model doesn't come with those. It comes with that, whatever you want to call it, spoiler. So yeah, and then after that, we done. I'm gonna clean this car up and see what it looks like when it's all clean. So that's pretty much done with the install portion. Everything is flushed. I had to kind of work on this side, but now, as you can see, the car looks different than if it was stock. Ooh, I like that. I could get some touch-up paint for like areas like this where I don't know if that came like that or if that was for me trying to install it. But yeah, nothing that some Oxford White touch-up paint can't fix. Right in there. But for the most part, I guess I'll take this one, put it up in the attic or something. I don't know what to do with it. I don't want to resell it because I ever want to take this off. But I don't see myself taking this off. Let me get y'all that wide angle. Ooh, it's already sitting different. Well, not sitting different. It just looks different. So before we do this little washing / detail part, I'm not a detail expert or washing expert. I'm just gonna put the soap on, rinse the soap off. I have soap in a bucket, then I'm gonna wipe it down after that and then rinse it off one more time, then we're done. The car isn't that dirty. I'm just doing this because the new spoiler is kind of dirty. So just go rinse the whole car and park it in here for another week. I'm pretty much done washing the car. As you can see, when it's clean, it looks good. Spoilers on. Whew, look, I've been out there working out, but I've just been washing the car. But I'm Campsite12, I'm a man of my word. I told you guys, when 200 becomes available, I'll start modding the car. Starting off with the spoiler, I already did small little things. Now, I think I'm gonna do, I don't know, I'm gonna keep that a secret. You have to stay tuned, so be sure to like, comment, subscribe. It could be rims next, it could be a splitter next, it could be exhaust next, it could be an actual tune to go E85 next. Who knows? Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Until the next one, peace.